It's very important once you get the app to link your card, because a lot of times you'll maybe go to a restaurant, for example, and you won't even remember to check your app to see if the restaurant's on there, and then you'll get a push notification that you got cash back just by paying with your card that you normally use. You can also add multiple cards. Let me show you how to do this. All you're going to do is hit profile and click on my cards. Then your card, I have one card that I always use, is linked here, but I can enroll a new card very easily, or multiple cards, and then I would just put the card nickname in, card number, expiration date, etc. This is a very, very secure system, just like any of the phone wallets that keep your cards in there. There's pretty much hackable proof, all that kind of stuff. You don't have to worry about anything like that. Doesn't really even keep the number once you put it in. You only see, like in my app, all you can see is the last 4 of the number. Very secure. I use it all the time. Enroll multiple cards. If you're using multiple credit cards, you may want to put in multiple cards, debit card or credit cards, because if you use that card in a restaurant, you want to make sure you just get cash back, or buy a lot of things. We just had a guy buy some parts for a CPAP machine with his credit card and forgot it was linked in here, and he got 5% cash back. So what the greatest part about this app is you don't necessarily even need to come into the app and look for a lot of deals, because once you put your card in here, if the merchant's attached, you're automatically going to start getting cash back, even if you didn't know, because this app is huge. There are so many things that you may end up buying from companies, and you're like, I didn't even know they're on the app, but great, I got cash back. You know, imagine buying a mattress and getting cash back, things like that, just by having your card linked. So it's secure, it's easy, and it will make automated cash back for you. And at the bottom, you can start to go and see your cash back.